In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Ledger to Phantom. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily establish a connection between your Ledger hardware wallet and your Phantom wallet. So to do this, make sure that you have the same asset between both of these wallets. Usually, you will need to add Solana through Ledger Live. So if you don't have Solana available on Ledger, I recommend doing this by going over to Ledger Live and tapping on the option to add an account. You will be able to find Solana on the list, and upon tapping on Solana or choosing the option to manage your Solana account, you will then be given the QR code and the wallet address that you use to receive Solana within your Ledger account. So after you set up the wallet through Ledger Live and you have the address good to go, you can connect Phantom to Ledger by going over to the Phantom app. In here, tap on the accounts that you have. So at the top left corner of the screen, tap on the account that you are using, and this will allow you to swap between different accounts if you have multiples. Now, choose the option at the bottom to add or connect a new wallet, and one of the options is going to be Connect Hardware Wallet. As you can see, they even have the Ledger icon, and they say in the description, use your Ledger Hardware Wallet. So immediately upon selecting this option, you will be prompted on what to do. First, enable Bluetooth, so on both devices, the Ledger device and on your smartphone running Phantom, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Pair with your Ledger device, so keep your device nearby and make sure that you establish a connection through Bluetooth. And next, connect the accounts. So they are going to look for an activity automatically, and they are going to prompt you to connect the accounts. The most important thing is that Bluetooth has to be enabled and you connect Ledger to your smartphone. So choose the option to connect the Ledger device. They will try to find devices nearby. If you have multiple, make sure that you choose the appropriate model. And upon doing this, you can now choose the option to connect your Solana account. Of course, if you want to connect other accounts, then just take them here as well. And all of them will be added onto Ledger in conjunction with Phantom Wallet. So all of the data will be exchanged and everything will be connected together. You will see this message: we found a certain amount of accounts with activity on your Ledger, and they will now be listed under Phantom Wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Ledger to Phantom. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.